FM12M3 patch panel is a high-density but simple design. Free U height is up to 288 cores max. Two less removable front and rear door, which makes the cable management more convenient. Flexible modular cabling solution for different needs, which can house ample modular cassettes or splicing cassettes or fiber adapter panels. Accommodate 12 PCS24 fiber MPO module cassettes at vertically arrangement, with better deformation resistance. Also available 24 fiber splicing module cassettes instead of MPO ones. Or the fiber adapter panel for patching splicing, available LC, SC, FC, ST MPO. Pre-installation support for distribution box, single-person installation and maintenance.